Ladies, if you've been struggling with thinning hair, a widening part, or loss of volume on top like me, you're not alone. If you're not quite ready for a wig, this might be the perfect solution. This is what I wish I knew years ago. Today I'm showing you the Breeze Human Hair Topper from UniWigs in shade 210 Truffle Brown. I have been wearing toppers for many years now, and this is by far the best one I've seen. What stood out is how lightweight it is and how breathable it feels, especially heading into summer. It has an 8.5 inch by 9 inch base for great coverage on the top and crown. It's 100% human hair. It has Swiss lace with an extended lace front for a super realistic hairline. It's low density also, so it doesn't look overly thick or wiggy. It has a hand-tied construction, which allows for natural movement. It looks like it's growing out of your head. So why would you choose a topper instead of a wig? If you need partial coverage but aren't quite ready, you can use your own hairline and your hair around the perimeter of your head to blend in with a topper. I love toppers because they are cooler and lighter than most wigs, so it's absolutely perfect for the hot summer months. Also, it's super quick to apply. You can do ponytails, messy buns, updos, and you're still incorporating your own hair, so it looks extremely natural. It gives you volume and coverage without feeling like you're wearing a full cap. To make it look as natural as possible, my biggest tip is placement. So start by positioning the lace front where you want the front of your hairline to be. That's the awesome thing about this Swiss lace. It's so invisible. So if I were keeping this, I might trim it back a little bit, but you really can't see it at all. Then start with the front clips, making sure that they are nice and secure, and then the side clips in the back. You can use a comb to pull out additional hair, but really this just sits on my hair perfectly just like this. Good tip is that you can use some root powder to blend this into your natural hair if you would like to, but really with this lace front, you don't even have to do that. But whenever I get a new human hair piece, I do like to take some water and spray it on the piece, then take a blow dryer brush to remove any part that may be there and add some additional volume as well. Then after that, I took a curling iron and I used medium-sized sections curling away from the face, leaving the ends out for a little bit of a modern look. And make sure you let the curls cool down before brushing them through. You can wear this straight as it comes, curled, half up, half down, ponytail, messy bun. Because it's human hair, it styles really beautifully and blends seamlessly with your natural hair. If you've been curious about toppers, I genuinely think that they're one of the easiest way to add confidence, volume, coverage without committing to a full wig. This is the Breeze Human Hair Topper from UniWigs in color 210 Truffle Brown. And always remember, your hair does not define you, but gosh, it feels a lot better to have some hair that's looking good when you step out the door.